Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my most recent Costco grocery haul as well as a meal prep with me. I do want to thank today's video sponsor. It is Bellway. You guys know if you watch my channel regularly that Bellway is my #1 favorite when it comes to fiber supplements, and they just released 2 new flavors that are so perfect for summer. So I'm going to share those with you guys here in a second, but in this video I'm going to show you my most recent grocery haul and then my simple meal prepping before a homeschool week. If you're new to my channel, I'm a homeschooling mom of 4, and so I like to have some things prepared for my week for myself just to stay on track with my nutritional and fitness goals. So that's what this video is going to be, a meal prep with me, and I'm going to share with you guys Bellway's new flavor, but I just wanted to get on and give you a little intro. So I've shared this with you guys before in some of my other meal prepping videos that I like to keep it super simple. You're not going to find me making crazy Pinterest salads and jars and just really complicated things. So I keep it really simple, and of course I don't get to do this every single week, but if I had a choice I would do this every single week, because when we get to do it, everything just is so much better for grabbing lunch and having protein with every snack and meal, which is something I strive to do. So when I meal prep, I like to have lunches for myself and my husband. I like to have some protein available for breakfast, whether that's turkey bacon, regular bacon, hard boiling eggs, like just some overnight oatmeal, you know, some type of protein option. I like to wash the produce, whether, you know, that depends on what we get. If it's grapes, if it's berries, lettuce, you know, romaine, chopping it up and having it ready to go. And then I like to have something baked for my family, whether that's muffins, bread, a treat, you know, depending. So if I get to meal prep and do all the things, this is what I like to do. It is very, very simple. I like to, for lunches, I'm sure some of you are gonna wonder, I just really like to have protein and vegetables with my lunch in whatever form that is. If that's a chicken salad, if that's, you know, like steak and vegetables, taco bowls, just protein and vegetables for lunch is what I like the best. So I keep it simple. This is all I like to prep, but it makes a really big impact. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I do try to lead an active, healthy, fit lifestyle, and taking vitamins and a few supplements definitely keep me feeling my best. One of my favorite that I've been recommending to you guys that so many of you have loved as well is Bellway Fiber. You may have tried fiber supplements before. They may have been orange and gritty and nasty and you could barely get them down. Bellway is so much better than that, and I have told you guys about them for years. But they did just come out with 2 new flavors. This one is pineapple passion fruit, and this is super fiber plus fruit. So it's everything that you have loved about Bellway, but in just a really yummy new summery flavor. And then they also have this one for you guys out there that really like the Bellway Plus Beauty. This is super fiber plus collagen. So this is gonna have your psyllium husk fiber as well as collagen, hyaluronic acid. This is the one that's gonna help most with your hair, skin, and nails. So if that's something that you have been wanting to improve, then fiber will definitely help you with that. This flavor is watermelon, and it is also new. My favorite before these 2 new flavors came out was definitely the raspberry lemonade. That one is my tried and true favorite, but these are really good. And I have to say, if I had to choose between which one I like best as far as taste goes, I'm gonna go with the pineapple, but that's just because I like pineapple. So if you've never tried Bellway, some quick benefits, and you guys can head over to their website and read about it so much more, is reducing bloating, helping with digestive issues, helping with your feeling of fullness. So it's gonna help you if you are trying to just be healthier, maybe help kickstart your weight loss journey, but not even just that, just help you feel your best. Your gut is the basis of your immune system, and so if you have good gut health, you're gonna have a stronger immune system. Not to mention that heart disease is the leading killer among women, and having a diet high in fiber that is adequate enough is the #1 way to reduce that one specific area that we have control over. Some things when it comes to our health, we don't have control over them, and that's just a part of being a human. But this is an area that we do have control over, is getting adequate fiber to support our body. A lot of you guys might think you're eating enough fiber, but I always say this statistic and this fact because it blew me away when I learned it, but you have to be eating about 10 mixed, like super green, spinach, kale type salads, 10 a day, to get the recommended amount of fiber that that is recommended for optimum health. So chances are you're probably not eating enough fiber. Chances are I wasn't eating enough fiber, even though I was eating pretty healthy anyway. And so Bellway is definitely there to help you guys with all of that. A bunch of you have also commented recently on my hair getting so much longer, and it's dirty right now, but my hair has grown about like this many inches in a year. And some of you might have faster growing hair, some of you might have slower, but I do think that it is partially because I have been taking Bellway pretty regularly. So if you want to check Bellway out, I will have a link and a discount code. You can save 20% off on the new flavors if you want to try them. The pineapple passion fruit, just your super fruit plus fiber, or if you want to do the collagen plus fiber, you've got watermelon to choose from that have been added to the array of flavors already available on Bellway's website. So my link and my coupon code will be down below for you guys if you want to check them out, and thank you so much to Bellway for sponsoring today's video. So I just got back from Costco like I told you guys, and I spent $618 right there. So $618. So starting over here, some lotion, some organic diced tomatoes. I got the squash that you guys will see in the meal prep. I got some green seedless grapes, some sliced cheese, some egg whites, pre-made Orgain protein shakes. I love trying, I've had these bars before, and this Costco carries them. The one I go to normally does not carry these, but they're really good for just like a snack. And so I got these peanut butter chocolate chip bars. Grabbed some unsalted cashews. Down here, this was the only clothing item that I got this time. These were a really good deal. So these were their UPF swim trunks, UPF 50. And they are a 2-pack, and they were $14 for the 2-pack. So that makes each pair about $7. And I really thought that they were like appropriate for older boys. Sometimes swim trunks can look a little baby-like, and these ones were definitely appropriate. So I grabbed both of those, but that was the only clothing item that I got. Coming back up to the counter, I got some organic eggs. I got these salami small plates. I just thought I like having those sometimes like in the summer for quick picnics and things like that. These are the best dill chips ever. These pickles, got those. Got some avocados, some organic asparagus, organic maple syrup, Kodiak cakes. This was like the only junk food item that I got. These strawberry covered yogurt pretzels, they just look really good. I was excited to find these. This is freeze dried herbs, basil, garlic, and parsley. And I'm always buying fresh herbs. So the cost on this, I think this whole thing was $12. It was a really good value because they're pretty big jars. I got some protein yogurt smoothies, got some laundry pods, some extra large olives, 2 boxes of organic chicken stock, another box of protein bars. These Nature Valley wafers were like a new snack thing my kids wanted to try, and my oldest 2 already got into the box, so it's open. I got some organic kids Cliff bars, another pack of the Kirkland protein bars, some Nature's Bakery fig bars, a box of almond milk. This Costco again this is a different Costco than I normally go to, and they had this dairy-free butter. That is my favorite. I like it even better than normal butter. So I was really happy to find that, and it was a really good price. So I grabbed that. My kids have been loving these naan breads for school lunches. Like when they do a snack plate, they can have that with some hummus and other things. And this whole thing was only $5, so that was a really good value. 2 things of Dave's Killer Bread, 2 things of Artisano, 2 things of sourdough, small romaine, a bag of broccoli. I got 2 packages of organic chicken breasts. I got the Bear chicken nuggets. These are our favorite. I got organic ground turkey. And then I got turkey bacon. I'm gonna meal prep that. And then I got these, what is this? Beef loin flap steaks. Also gonna meal prep that. So that is there for lunches this week for Jake and I. And then over here, just for like bag snacks, I got the Made Good granola minis, Boom Chicka Pop, and Late July chips. So that is everything that I grabbed at Costco for $617. Doesn't look like too much. I mean, it does, but it doesn't at the same time. Things are definitely way more expensive than before. I feel like my average Costco visit has gone up about $50, if not more. $50 to $100, I would say, is a safe estimate of what this used to cost. So this probably would have been around $500 before, but here we are. I did also buy a lemon tree and a pot. And I know that that sounds funny, but I want to plant that lemon tree in a pot for now and then see how it does. So I got that. Those 2 things were like $40 total together. So add that on, but here's everything that I got at Costco. Going to be meal prepping a few things, and I'll show you guys what that looks like, how I do just a few simple things ahead of the week, and it really, really saves my week when it comes to food and staying on track nutritionally. So for meal prep this week, we are gonna do some diced zucchini and squash with some tomatoes. I'm gonna put that over this. This is from Costco. It's the Tattooed Chef cauliflower, so that'll be like the base. And then we're gonna do those veggies on the Traeger. And then we're also going to cook, obviously, the steak that I showed you guys for like some protein veggie bowls for Jake and I for lunch. So he has lunch all week, or at least a good portion of the week, and then I have lunch for busy homeschooling days, so we're gonna get that all prepared now.
You
guys, that is gonna be it for this meal prep and grocery haul video. I hope you enjoyed seeing my simple meal prep as well as what I grabbed at the grocery store. If you guys have any questions for me, post them down below. Make sure you check out Bellway and use the 20% off coupon on anything on their website, but especially check out those new flavors. I think you guys will really like them. All of that is down below in the description box for you guys, and I will see you all in my next video really soon. Bye, guys.